All right, here's a little more update on the K10 restoration project. Radiator support is in, going together very nicely. Condenser's in, AC system's completely hooked up. Washer bottle, new lines on the master cylinder, new calipers, steering components, AC compressor, lines, coolant bottle, battery tray and battery with a hold down actually. Radiator, shrouding, fan. Some of this is overlap from the last video, but very, very nicely coming together. It's a beautiful shot right here. We can see all this stuff. Nice, clean, not rusty, painted together. Still some cleanup to do on the conduit. Inner fender wells are here ready. Second gas tank is here ready. Tires and wheels are on. Suspension lift is on. And again, if you're first time watching, this truck will be up for sale. Interior still getting finished. Gauges are back in. All gauges will be working properly, even the clock. If something you're interested in, feel free to reach out, send us a message, drop a comment, let us know. We can get this truck completed. It's going to be a nice one.